Network marketers, how to talk to influencers about your business. Before we get into this, if you haven't seen me in any other video before, my name is Alex. I'm originally from Austria. I'm here in Miami and I recruited more than 120 people on Instagram. In the last few months, I trained more than 5,000 network marketers from all different industries and I teach how to grow on social media and how to recruit more people. I even spoke at an event in Dallas about social media and next week I'm going to Atlanta to show what really works. So in the next few minutes, I explain how to talk to influencers about your network marketing business. First, you need to understand how their business model works. So they have an audience and a company comes to them and say, look, you have an audience. We want you that you sell our product to your audience. And we give you, let's say 10% commission or whatever. Now, the person with the influence, the person with maybe like 5 or 10 or 20,000 followers or even more, takes the product and promotes it in their stories or makes a photo. Whenever they make a sale, they get a commission or they get free products. So here's the thing. They never make above average income. Only a few of them, when they have maybe like 1 or 2 million followers, then they really make good money. But everything below, you can make much more money in network marketing. So what we need to understand is how do we present a network marketing business to somebody with a big audience? First, you cannot just send them a text and you say, hey, you're an influencer and you can make more money in network marketing. Do you want to join my team? That doesn't work. So you need to build a relationship like you do with all the other people. And you encourage them and you say, hey, I like how you share the stuff on social media. You have an amazing engagement. I like how you did this video. This is awesome. And you just give them an honest compliment over a few days. And then sooner or later, you ask them, for example, are you a full-time influencer or do you work another job? Most of them, you will be surprised. They work a regular job because they don't make enough money by just selling the products. And most of them, let's take the example, they work for a fitness brand and they get maybe $250 worth of products every single month. Of course, it's great, but honestly, if you make so much money, you can also buy your own protein bars and protein shakes. So it doesn't really matter. So what we need to do is we need to present those people, the network marketing business, in a way so it's a no-brainer for them. So here's how you can do that. If they don't tell you, for example, yeah, I would like to do something different, I would like to make more money, you can also introduce your business. So how you can do that is this. You say, look, just imagine this. You would make money from all the other influencers from the product who are affiliated with the company that gives you the contract. So just imagine you sell protein shakes and they have other influencers too. And let's imagine you can recruit an influencer and if they sell some protein shakes in their stories, you get a chunk of commission. I mean, how cool would that be? And they would say, yeah, that would be awesome. But it's not the case because that's not how this business model works. But network marketing works like this. So your task is to see and to explain why this business makes sense. Another thing what I would do, you always need to find out who is making good money in the business, in your network marketing business. Because most network marketers, they don't have a huge following, but they make 10 times more money than any other influencers, okay? So your goal is to introduce somebody who has maybe 5,000 followers on Instagram, but they make $30,000 a month, to someone who is an influencer who has maybe 50,000 followers, but they make $2,000 a month. Do you understand how interesting that conversation can be? So what you need to do is you need to invite those people to have a conversation. And you can do it with a voice message. Voice message is always the best way to invite people to see that stuff. So for example, you could talk with somebody after you build that relationship. You can say, look, you know what I was thinking about? I work with a guy in my business who makes $30,000 a month and he's extremely successful. But the crazy thing is, he has only 10% of the followers what you have. And I think if you would build this business with the audience what you have already, you could make much more money than now. Maybe that sounds crazy because we just don't know each other personal, or we're just talking since a couple of weeks. But if I would connect you with that guy and we would do maybe a quick call on Zoom, would you take your time? They will say yes if you do it properly, because they have the audience, you encourage them. And this is the number one way how to talk with influencers about your network marketing business. Of course, before you do this, you need to have a trustworthy profile. Because if people don't trust you, they probably don't take you serious. And we live in a very superficial world, so you need to have a good profile for that. And what I highly recommend you is get your profile straight. Optimize it. Take a look at your name. Take a look at your bio. Take a look at your photos, the videos that you upload. How does your profile photo look like? Do people can recognize your face clearly when they come to your profile? Check that. And if you need help with that, we can do the same thing on your profile that we did with Brenda. Look at this. Brenda, that was her profile before we worked together, and that's her profile now. And she moved from the Netherlands to the sunny Portugal because she generates prospects on social media. And that's what we can do on your profile too. If you want to learn how that works and how I can help with all that stuff so you don't need to do it on your own, and I can guide you over the next 5 weeks, fill out the form in the comments. Either me or Kati, one of my teammates, will make a call with you and will show you what you need to do to get much more people in the business. And then you can decide afterwards if it makes sense for you. But if you don't have any amount to invest, so let's say you have $0, just don't do the call, because we want to work with people who are committed and who are able to invest, because then we can really help you to scale your business much further. So fill out the form below and share this video with your team so they know how to recruit influencers, and follow this channel for the best network marketing tips on the internet.